In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize labels in Monday.com. Labels in Monday.com are a powerful way to keep your boards organized, track progress at a glance, and make your workflows much clearer for your whole team. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find your labels, how to access the customization menu, and how to add new labels to your status column so you can tailor it to your specific process. First, open the board where you want to work with labels and locate the status column. This is usually the column that shows things like working on it, done, or stuck. And it's the main place where labels are used to represent different stages or states of your tasks. Make sure you're looking at the correct column, especially if your board has several status type columns. Next, move your mouse to the top of that status column. At the top right corner of the column header, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots. This is the column menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu for that specific column. This menu is where you'll find all the options related to how that column behaves and appears on your board. Once the menu is open, look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will expand into more configuration options for the status column. From here, you can control how the column works behind the scenes. Within the settings options, you'll see something called Customize Status Column. Click on that. This is the area where you can manage every label tied to that status column, change their names, adjust colors, and most importantly for this video, add new labels to better match your workflow. Inside the customization window, look for the option that says Plus New Label. Click on Plus New Label to create a fresh label. After clicking, you'll be able to type in a label name, such as a new stage in your process, and usually choose a color that makes sense visually. Try to pick names and colors that are easy for your team to understand at a glance. For example, use consistent colors for similar meanings across different boards. Once your new label is added, it will immediately be available in that status column. You and your team can then start assigning it to items, helping you track work more clearly and keep your Monday.com boards perfectly aligned with how you actually manage your projects.